kaya magayaman. For Asian, people depend on their environment. People develop their culture based on their environment. In the same manner, the environment depends its health on how people manage it. So, I am Donato Bumacas from Kalinga Indigenous Peoples. Actually, I was one of the winners in 2004. I work with Kalinga Mission for Indigenous Communities and Youth Development Incorporated. This is an indigenous people's organization trying to respond to things, poverty, and the loss of biodiversity in Kalinga by using and reviving the sustainable indigenous people's agricultural technology, which is actually a best practice of our forefathers, but because of miseducation and like that, it's being eroded. So we try to revive it to conserve our forest. And the things that what happened when we were awarded, because I had been working in Kalinga for more than 18 years, and we were unheard by the government. But when we won the prize in 2004, everything opened. Opportunities was opened to deal with governments, to deal with business people. And now I'm here today. So this prize actually has value for community people themselves, for social development workers like us, and aside from that, it actually opens the door for lots of opportunities. And people who are here today will witness. And perhaps, if you want to do something to our planet, why not invest a little bit to these 25 winners whom we are awarding today? So without saying a lot of things, I would like to call on the winners for Asia Pacific. But before doing that, I would like to say, if I say environment, you say, let's conserve it. So can we try? Okay, environment. Let's conserve it. Thank you very much. So, to begin with, I would like to call the Timor Bay Community Protected Area Committee from Cambodia. Woo. May I request the Cambodian people, the winners from Cambodia, to come. Huh? Yes, and of course, Charles McLean will give the certificates. Again, the winners from Cambodia. And next are the Indonesian community-based Marine Management Foundation from Indonesia. They have a community-based marine management program. So from Indonesia, yes, they're coming. The winners from Indonesia. The next May I call on the Conservation Society of Pohnpei, Federated States of Micronesia. Thank you very much. From Micronesia. The next are coming from the Philippines, Kamalandaan Agroforest Farmers Association. Unfortunately, they didn't make it because of the visa. But may I call Sir Delphin and Miss Corpus Tauli to come and get their certificates? They're from the Philippines. That's the challenge sometimes if you're a community person applying for a visa. So from the Philippines, so may I call the next winners, the Arnavon Community Marine Conservation Area from Solomon Islands. The winner from Solomon Islands. Thank you. May I call on the next winner, Community Development Center from Sri Lanka. Our woman warrior from Asia Pacific. The winners from Sri Lanka. May I call on the next Sri Lanka Wildlife Conservation Society from Sri Lanka also. Woo. So winners from Sri Lanka. And the last but not the least, may I call on Ngunapele Marine Protected Area from Vanuatu. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. Thank you very much.